Hello, this is my blog wrap-up. The blogging process for me, I just don't think blogging is really a strong suit for me. I did try. Let me log in. Okay. I definitely think that my blogs could have had like more color to them, more life. I have to say my first blog that I did was probably the prettiest. I was able to add some like background and stuff to that one. And this one kind of just like asked a question. I think this was one of my best ones so far. So it responds to a source to show that you can agree. That I did do. Oops. In this blog. I kind of, in this interview with this travel nurse, he didn't spend much time researching the hospital that he was going to be working at, and I kind of disagree with that because I would spend more time researching the place that I was going to be at. A quote sandwich. Oops. Not this one. Sorry, I went to the wrong one. The value of travel. In this one, I did give a quote, and then I kind of right here explained what he was saying. Ideas for your sources. This is my thinking about it. I think this was my best like summarization of a post. This blog post that I did, it was on a YouTube video, and it really kind of made me question some things about like what I wanted to do. The guy gave 7 reasons. He wished he knew before he started traveling nursing. I put in some things that like scared me, like the housing situations, how they're kind of treated poorly. He did say some good things though, like he liked the travel. It's just kind of hard with the family, but his wife was able to go with him. overall, I think that this blogging journey, it helped me definitely learn about where I want to take my career path, but it was a little tricky. I don't think I'm much of a blogger. And I wish I could have designed these up a little more. I was able to do it in the first one. It's just kind of tricky. I think I did okay. I definitely think I could have done better.